wheel. I need an alignment so bad. In order to go straight, I have to put the wheel like this. I'm probably destroying my tires. Oh, all these people are probably mad. Today we can finally install this part. I've been pushing it off for like, I want to say almost a month now. It's been collecting dust in my garage, so today I'm hoping we can finally install it. Hopefully I can get as much done before the sun goes down later on. But yeah, once we get home, I'll show you guys what we'll be installing today. If you guys missed my previous video, you guys pretty much missed me destroying my front bumper. Makes me so sad seeing this. I literally just got this painted. I completely destroyed my front fender piece. And sadly, we also broke my front lip. But good thing is I actually ordered it right away, so I already have a new lip right here to install. Not really in a rush to put the lip on because I still have to fix that front bumper piece. So for today's install, we have some color changing halos from Lit Lights. I've literally had these in my garage for so long now. Completely honest, I've been pretty lazy to install these because they require you to open your headlights. If you guys aren't familiar with what these are color changing halo rings for the inside of the headlight. Pretty much like a BMW, how BMWs have those like halo rings in their headlights. But I'm able to change the color with my phone through an app. So a little backstory, when I got my BRZ bumper, I didn't have any like plastic bezel for the turn signal on the bottom of the bumper. So for, I want to say, quite a while now, I've been running no front turn signals, which is the worst because people just don't know if I'm turning or not. But with Lit Lights, I saw that they just came out with these. Cool thing is you can actually wire these to be your DRLs, so your daily running lights, and your turn signal. So sick. As you can see right here, GM color changing plus switchback. So when you put your turn signal on, these actually act as your turn signals. So say if I'm running around with like red halo rings or blue, when I put my turn signal on, they'll switch over to the orange turn signal, and it's sequential. So that's so cool. Definitely need a front turn signal. It'll just help out so much because at a stop sign or intersection, people just don't know if I'm turning left or not, even if I have my turn signal on. So if all goes as planned with this halo kit, we will have some dope headlights. It is required that you open up your headlights, so like put them in the oven, heat them up, all that good stuff, and then split them open. Pretty much the same process as I did with my Demon Eyes, my color changing Demon Eyes. If you guys haven't seen that, I actually made a video on that. Thinking about it, it was pretty much like a year ago. It should be pretty simple this time because I did split them open before, so all that glue and stuff should be pretty easy to work with now. Yesterday I actually got the supplies I needed to complete this install. I needed like little splices for the wires. That's all taken care of. Huge shout out to Lit Lights for sending these out. If you guys are ever interested in purchasing anything off of their website, besides like the custom Spec D headlights that they sell, so pretty much anything else on their website, I have a discount code which is Chris15. It'll save you guys 15% off of your order. So it's around $30 to $40 off of like a pair of Demon Eyes, for example. So if you guys are looking forward to buying anything on their website, be sure to use that code and save you guys some money. So I'm gonna try to lay out all this wiring because this is so much wiring. I definitely do not specialize in this type of stuff as well. What I like to do before any type of electrical work is I like to lay out every single piece of wire that I have just to make it look way more simple and see what I'm working with pretty much. So essentially, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. To make it more simple, this connects to the battery, down to the power box, these two connect to these two wires to another power box, and pretty much from this box it splits to the two headlights. Clips right here plug into the halo eyes that will be inside of my headlight, and on each side I have the turn signal wire, which is right here, which I'll be having to tap into the stock wiring for the turn signal. But I'm actually going to test it right now before we go into opening my headlight, just to make sure that everything works fine. What would really suck is opening up my headlights and everything and finding out that the product doesn't work. Always good to test it out before you do any of that. Power box is hooked up to the battery, which is right here. Next, we'll grab the other power box, I believe it's called, and hook it up to this box right here. One thing I did forget to mention was that this wire goes to a Bluetooth controller. We're going to go ahead and plug this in right here, and it looks like this. So now from the box goes to these two wires, which connect to each of the headlights, so the right and the left one. And with each headlight comes with one of these long wires. So now from the battery we have the power box to the other power box, and splits to two wires, and each of the halos will attach to these wires. Ooh, so nice. Two halos plugged in now. Once I connect the battery, if all goes as planned, it should turn on. We're gonna go ahead and hook up the battery, and fingers crossed that these halos work. Yo, so I just put the negative terminal on, and look. Oh my gosh. Yo, I am so hyped. So relieved to find out that my wiring actually worked. It's pretty much plug and play. Lit Lights makes it so easy and simple. Pretty self-explanatory like I showed you guys. I think that's where we're gonna leave off today. I'm gonna pick this install up another day when I have more daylight out, so I can open up these headlights and put these halos inside. Let me know what you guys think so far down in the comment section below. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to open up my headlights. Let me know what you guys think of the halos down in the comment section below. I'm so hyped. They came out so nice. It's kind of hard deciding on which one I like more, either the Demon Eyes or the Halo kit that I have on right now. I was not able to wire these to the turn signal. When I do put the signals on, these actually turn orange, and it's like a sequential mode. It's so sick, but I have no idea how to wire it to my turn signal. So if you guys know like the correct wire color, please let me know down in the comment section below, and also the DRLs. I didn't film like the rest of the process because I didn't want to make this video like super long for you guys. I did film a little bit of it, so I'm actually gonna throw that in right now. So yeah, it required me to open up my headlights, had to throw them in the oven. It was pretty easy this time because I actually split them open before. If you guys made it this far in the video, I personally want to say thank you so much for reaching the end. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.